Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kale chain salad. This easy method helps you create a delicious and healthy meal in under 15 minutes. We will start by preparing our fresh ingredients, then move on to combining them with a simple, flavorful dressing. This recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or a nutritious side dish, offering a fantastic blend of textures and tastes that everyone will enjoy. It's a truly satisfying and wholesome option. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Take one bunch of fresh kale, wash it thoroughly, and then chop it into small, manageable pieces. Next, open one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drain the liquid, and rinse them well under cold water. This step ensures they are clean and ready to absorb all the delicious flavors. Also, have your dressing components, such as fresh lemon juice and good quality olive oil, measured out and ready to go. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine your chopped kale and the rinsed chickpeas. For an extra kick of flavor and a lovely crunch, add about 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. Then, drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice over the mixture. These liquids will start to tenderize the kale and bind all the ingredients beautifully. Finally, let's season our delicious salad. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper over the ingredients. Now, gently toss everything together, ensuring the dressing and seasonings evenly coat every piece of kale and every chickpea. This ensures a consistent, delightful flavor in every bite. Serve your vibrant kale chain salad immediately as a refreshing side dish or a satisfying, light main course. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.